Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about the video and video list. They are for playing the video. We can put video source on it or remove from it. We select the video view, and on the right we can see some details of it. We can set the name, the ID, the tag, the group number for it, and the XY coordinate. We can change the width and height. Then we can change the stack. We can choose to hide it, show it, disable it, or enable it. And we can make it removable or unremovable. Here we can change the background for it. We can set an image for it as a background, or we can set a color, or we can add a link. Here we can choose the source type. We can choose video source or image source. Here we choose video source as example. Here we can set a video name and URL for it. We set video source and we copy a link. And for event, we can make the event execute when we put source on it or remove source from it. And for video view list, the difference between video list view and video view is the list can set more than one source. And we can set the orientation for it. We can make it landscape or portrait. And here we can set the video ratio, spacing, and padding. And here we can set the source size. Also, we can set a source set event and source remove event. And we can set more details for video list view. We can change the background, and the item background is the source's background. We can set an image for it as a background, or change the color, or add a link to it. Here we can set the border size, the border's color. And here we can set the shadow type. We can set it outset. We can make it outset or make it inset. And the four values for shadows, the first one is the horizontal shift, and the second one is vertical shift. The third one is blur, and the last one is size. And we can change the color of the shadow. Here the scroll button. The scroll button are at two sides of the list. And we can change the color for them. Or we can set image for them. Or we can add a link. And we can set the size of them. The icons are the two that shows on the scroll button. We can change the icon here, or if you have an image, you can add an image or add a link. Here we can set the icon size and change the icon's color. Then we upload this project to the processor. This is the video source, what we added. We can remove it, and we can put the source in the video view list or the video view. Let's see. We can move it in it, and we can move it in there, or remove it, or move it in there. And that's all for the video view and video list view.